Thank you very much, Mr. Betts. And I want to also, very pleased to be serving on your chairmanship, and I want to congratulate the Honourable Member for Twickenham on securing this very welcome debate. In 2022-23, 30% of children were in poverty after housing costs. That's 4.3 million children, the highest number since 1998-99, reversing all the progress that had been made in the years following that. The Government Family Resources Survey found a tenth of all households were food insecure. That's the government's own data. 15% of households with children. The Food Foundation has been mentioned by both speakers in this debate already. They use a different methodology taken from the USA's Food Security Survey model. They found 17% of all households and 23.4% of households with children either moderately or severely food insecure in June 2023. These figures make it absolutely clear that child poverty in the UK is much too high. We are limiting our future potential by keeping it at this current high level. The most immediate benefit of free school meals is tackling this scourge. And as we've heard, a third of school-aged children in poverty are missing out on free school meals at the moment, according to Child Poverty Action Group. Now, free school meals are provided to children with parents in receipt of a number of benefits, most importantly, universal credit. But as we've been reminded, that is only if the household income is less than £7,400 per year. That figure has not been uprated in 6 years. I'd be really grateful if the Minister would comment on that. It ought to be uprated along with benefits annually. The government's estimate is that total household income, if you allow for other social security income, is probably for those families up to £18,000 to £24,000. But that is below what the Joseph Rowntree Foundation estimates a single parent needs for a minimum acceptable living standard, let alone a couple with children. We've heard already about the assessment produced by PricewaterhouseCoopers, by PwC, the cost-benefit analysis for extending free school meals to all those who claim universal credit. That took account of research from Sweden to the Department for Education and from the Association for Young People's Health to Ofsted, showing that free school meals reduce obesity, reduce absenteeism, improve academic attainment, raise lifetime earnings. Those are all advantages which we need to capture. Now, the Honourable Member for Twickenham referred to the pilot in East London in 2009 of free schools. It was, in fact, in the London Borough of Newham, where I'm one of the members of the House, and I'm pleased that my honourable friend, the member for West Ham, is in her place as well. The assessment of that pilot showed, as she rightly said, it led to improvements in classroom behaviour and in concentration and in attainment. And parents also reported from that pilot that their children were more willing to eat healthily at home. And I'm very pleased to be able to tell the House that Newham has continued to provide free school meals to all primary school pupils ever since, defying waves of government austerity in the last 15 years. And I do want to pay tribute to that impressive commitment of my colleagues on Newham Council for maintaining that very important provision, and also to Juniper, the council-owned company which provides the meals, which is very well known to my honourable friend, the member for Wellington and Sunderland West, who works with them at the annual Free School Meals event each year. Last year, as we've heard, the Mayor of London provided funding to help all London boroughs follow suit. I very much applaud that initiative. It is a very popular policy. It's no doubt one of the reasons for his welcome re-election last week. And now that he has been re-elected, the provision across London is thankfully secure for the next 4 years. Richard Parker, Kim McGuinness, the new mayors in the West Midlands and the North East, again elected last week, committed to moving in that direction as well. So, Mr. Betts, free school meals help alleviate poverty, they improve children's health and educational attainment. Let's use this lever much more widely to tackle this massive scourge of child poverty.
Yeah.